The wind was cold and the street was quiet. Suddenly, a soft meow broke the silence. Something tiny needed help. One morning, a little girl named Lena was walking to school. She heard a weak sound near a bench. Meow, meow. It was a tiny white kitten shivering in the cold. Its fur was wet and its eyes looked sad. Lena bent down and said softly, "Don't be scared, little kitty." The kitten looked at her and meowed again. Lena smiled and wrapped it in her scarf. She looked around. No one was there. "Maybe you're lost," she whispered. At school, her teacher, Miss Rose, saw her holding the kitten. "Oh dear, who is this?" Lena explained. "I found it alone on the way. It was so cold." The children gathered around. They brought a small bowl of milk and a towel to dry the kitten. The kitten purred happily and wagged his tiny tail. Everyone laughed. After class, Lena and Miss Rose made a sign that said, "Lost kitten found. Please come to Sunny School." They hung it on the school gate. Later that day, a little boy came running. "That's my kitty, Snowy," he shouted. Snowy jumped from Lena's arms and ran to him. The boy hugged the kitten tight. "Thank you for saving her," he said with a big smile. Lena felt warm inside. Miss Rose said, "Kind hearts make the world brighter." That night, Lena told her mother the story. Her mother kissed her forehead and said, "I'm proud of you." Lena looked out the window at the moon and whispered, "Good night, Snowy." From that day, Lena always stopped to help anyone, person or pet, who needed care.